Sri Conrad K. Sangma. Thank you, sir, for your time, your spare, your valuable time to be with us today and to come here in my constituency for this very important item and very important to meet our people, especially with this CM Connect. We have here also Mr. Sampat Kumar, Principal Secretary, Dari Kinti Kharshie, ADC, Bapiti Pasa, ADC, and Jidhar, video of Maukanrao Sianadi Block. Other officers from the various department, I would like to welcome you all. Thank you very much for your time. Within a short span of time, within 2 days, I think we will be able to and honor that you are sparing your precious time despite your busy schedule to visit my constituency and interact with our people through the CM Connect platform. Your initiative ensures that the residents of this part of Meghalaya also benefit from your guidance and effort. I am deeply grateful for your attention and support, and I present below the key development priorities for your kind consideration. Sir, I would like to start with some road project in my constituency. The intermediate lane from Umtngau to Maukanrao, and I request your kind support to construct a well-maintained lane to improve connectivity. Because you see, sir, the road now, it's too small, especially our constituency. It's very popular now in terms of tourism. People from across the country, across the state, they are start coming and visit so many sites, so many places in my constituency. So we need this intermediate lane or double lane, maybe till Maukanrao, from Umtngau to Maukanrao, which my constituency started from Maukanrao after crossing Smith village. And connectivity road Nonghulo to Amlaran, which this one I've already discussed with Ba Ramboy, also Honorable Minister, how to connect this road. We need a bridge to connect from Nonghulo area to Amlaran. This will boost the tourism sector and especially the farmers who are in that area. Sir, the tourism development viewpoint and destination. With your guidance, develop tourist spots at Noron, Sentung, Minsang, Kli Asem, Mausna, Umkhoy, Jongsha, Pashang, Umsawar, Sengknai, and Maulingot, Nongjong, and Lightlum. It is a very popular destination for the tourists. And I know, sir, you know very well these two places, Nongjong and Lightlum. Promoting tourism will boost the local economy and create sustainable livelihood for the people in that area. Improve accessibility and visitor amenities which benefit both residents and tourists. So with solar mission, kindly support installation of solar energy system and street light in villages. This will provide sustainable energy, improve safety and enhance community well-being. Dairy mission, number 5. Strengthening dairy infrastructure like greatly support farmers and livestock. It will steady income opportunities and uplift livelihood. So just to remind you once again regarding this bridge which I've already discussed with you, sir, it's a very important bridge to connect Jongsha Thanrai. This bridge, sir, I think we already discussed from time to time. I hope, sir, maybe today or day after tomorrow, maybe after this month, you can announce this very important bridge to link the Jongsha to Thenrai, which so many villages located in Thenrai area. Those students especially used to come to the school of Good Shepherd High Secondary School. Just a reminder, sir. And very important also, sir, this one, Center of Excellence. As a reminder, sir, this is a very important. I hope, sir, this one also will get a sanction immediately. Will benefit our farmers of my area. And the very important issue, sir, which we keep on discuss. This is very important, which I want to raise here, sir, just to inform you, sir, that this is a need of ours. The community college, which we are planning to set up in Jongsha. And this is very important, sir. I request you, sir, to consider this, because college is a need of ours, especially in my constituency. And the bypass route from Laitse to Umpranai. Construction of bypass roads will reduce congestion and improve accessibility. It will facilitate smoother transport trade and emergency access. We will